And former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's health continues to remain critical today. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu visited the AIIMS hospital to inquire after the health of the former Prime Minister.
That's right. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was admitted to AIIMS on June 11th with kidney tract infection, chest congestion, urinary tract infection and low urine output. Well, we've seen many leaders of the BJP and several other political leaders visit AIIMS since yesterday. Yesterday night, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also paid a visit to the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who has been in the AIIMS hospital undergoing treatment. The last medical bulletin by the AIIMS said that his condition is said to be very critical. He's been put on ventilator support and the next 24 hours are going to be very crucial. We are awaiting the medical report, the next medical report, which is expected to come at around 10:30 to understand the medical condition of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who is currently at the AIIMS hospital. Several tall leaders of the BJP made a visit to the AIIMS hospital, including Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, several other party leaders, including L.K. Advani. Many others are expected to reach AIIMS. Also, we are given to understand that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is also likely to visit AIIMS in just a bit. Milan, now my colleague joins me on the phone line. Milan, the last medical update of Atal Bihari Vajpayee said that his condition is said to be very critical. He's on ventilator support. Any further update on his medical condition at this point?
With my colleague Milan Sharma, but this is what we're expecting at about 10:30 a.m. this morning. The latest medical bulletin, remember, on the former Prime Minister AP Vajpayee, that who has been in the AIIMS hospital for the past 2 months. Right now, the Vice President Venkaiah Naidu visiting AIIMS before he embarked on a journey to Andhra Pradesh, and also the Prime Minister yesterday paying a visit to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, remember, who has been in hospital for the past 2 months. Now, other leaders are in fact expected to visit the leader today, but we're expecting the latest medical bulletin from the hospital at 10:30 a.m. this morning. My colleague Milan Sharma back with us on the phone line. Milan, take us through the latest.
Well, we have been hearing of the condition of ex-PM Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and currently also the AIIMS bulletin that came out yesterday said how he's still very critical, and we have been seeing how various ministers in the government have been visiting. We have seen how the Prime Minister also made a courtesy visit last night. In fact, after that, there were several also to the family. At this point of time, the information that we have is AIIMS, the hospital where he's being treated for at least 9 weeks now, will release another bulletin at around 10:30 a.m. And till such time, the family of constant visitors there. We also know that Mr. Rajnath Singh, the Home Minister, will also make a visit at this point. And since morning, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu has also visited in the AIIMS hospital.
Right, Milan, and we understand a lot of leaders are actually going to be making their way to pay a visit to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who has been in hospital, let's remember, for 2 months.
Yes, in fact, we have some, reports also saying that, sources saying that Mr. Rahul Gandhi could also make a courtesy visit at this point. We're also, getting information that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee may also fly down to make this courtesy visit. And with a steady number of people who are now making the rounds near a hospital, the administration maintains that because the condition of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, former Prime Minister, remains critical there. The family is also at the hospital at this point of time. And yes, we are expecting a steady stream of visitors to meet the family at this point.
Right, Milan, thank you so much for bringing us those updates. We'll continue.